Alrighty, let's build a sprinting system in Unreal Engine and make the stamina tied to that sprinting. First things first, we have to create an input action, and for this one we're just going to leave everything at default, so all you have to do is create it and name it. Now it's time to add it to the mapping context that comes default with the Unreal Engine templates, and I'm going to add it to the Shift key. Next, let's go ahead and build our sprint function. So first we need to bring our sprint input that we just mapped into the event graph. So first we're going to set our sprint speed and our walking speed. So I'm going to go into the movement component and set the walking speed to a little bit slower, and for the sprinting speed we're going to set it to higher. Now we're going to bring the stats in, and we're going to add in the inactive/active function. Keep in mind that it has to be the same name that you have in your regain stamina function right here. Now it's time to decide how often the stamina will drain. And in order to do this next part, we need to bring in a drain stamina event and create a new custom event for that. And now we're going to bring in our adjust stats node and tie it to our stamina stat right there. Make sure it's plugged into the stat and set the amounts for both the interval of the timer and the amount per timer. You always have to remember that you have to reference which widget you're going to use, so go ahead and copy and paste it into the bar widget. So now you've got to be able to create an if statement so that the player will not be able to run if they don't have stamina. And once you do that, then you have to create the new event, a new custom event for stop sprinting. And once you have that, you can go ahead and plug this into the set there so that it goes after, and then make sure you call the stop sprinting function at the end. Now it's time to set the state back to inactive so stamina can regenerate, and you need to cancel the timer. Once you get that all buttoned up and you get all that finished, we can go ahead and test our code. But if we press play, you'll see I get an error. So what this is this is saying that I am pointing to a null pointer because I am having the HUD being referenced when I haven't added it to the character itself. To fix that, all I have to do is target the HUD through the stat component that I added to the character. Once all your nodes are organized and you set your stamina regenerate, everything should be working great.